Hello everyone, this is JP Pirtle with JP Pirtle Real Estate. Today we are over in Fern Creek and we got this house. We actually bought this house from a gentleman, a great gentleman. He had like 20 something houses and he was tired of being a landlord and he was ready to retire and enjoy the rest of his life. We bought all these houses from him and we did give him the option of putting them on the market. He did not want to do that. He just wanted to sell them as is. We figured out a price that was a win-win for all. And it was a great deal for everybody. Like I said, we just got this. Now this one needs a lot of work. Let's look at it real quick, but it's a great little ranch in Fern Creek. Come on in. We've already had it cleaned out. Check it out. Needs a lot of work. We love houses like this, folks. It needs a lot of work, but we're going to bring this house back to life and it's going to be beautiful. Of course, we're doing a brand new bathroom, brand new kitchen. Yeah, this house needs a lot of work, but that's okay. That's what we do. So whether you're a landlord, any type of seller, if you want to sell your property, give us a call. We'll give you all your best options, just like this one. We can buy it as is, no showings, no home inspectors, no repairs, no commissions, no closing costs. Take what you want and leave the rest. We can help anybody out there. And I say this very humbly, if you don't call JP Pirtle, we both lose. I hope to hear from you or anybody you know selling soon. Thanks for all your business, JP Pirtle.